Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use cola to cook potatoes. Cola can be a magic ingredient when it comes to cooking. Hope you will enjoy today's video. And now let's start cooking. We first need to cut the potatoes into bite sizes. Add some cooking oil into the pan. Add the potatoes. Fry until the potatoes become golden on the outside. Now chop some scallions. Mash some garlic. Add them into the pan. Add half teaspoon of salt. 1 spoon of soy sauce. 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Mix everything well. Now add 1 small bottle of cola. Soon the sauce will start to thicken. Add some scallions onto the top. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.